Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and make a movie right here in 6th period. This is my third attempt at making this video for this problem. Hopefully it works this time and my app doesn't crash. Volume of number 12. They give you the volume as 256 pi centimeters cubed. So now we have to kind of figure out what it is we're looking at, right? So it's kind of a sphere, so we have to think about what is the equation for the volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is the 4/3 pi r cubed, okay? So from there, we have to think, is this a full sphere? No, it's not a full sphere. It is half of a full sphere, alright? But even from there, it's not a full half. There's a wedge taken out of it, and that wedge represents 90 degrees out of 360, which, when you simmer that down, that's a fourth. A fourth of that hemisphere is gone. So what does that leave us? That leaves us with 3/4 of it. So we're going to do, we took the whole volume here, right? And we're taking half of it for the hemisphere, and then of that half, we only want 3/4 of it. So 3/4, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a second here. Alright? So that's 3/4 times a half times 4/3 pi r cubed, okay? And that equals that 256 pi. So if we go back and write all this in, we can see that we've got this 3/4 and the 4/3. Those cancel out, right? Because 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 over 12 is 1, right? So now, when we finish and put the 256 pi into this equation, right? So 256 pi equals 1/2 pi r cubed, alright? The pi's will cancel, because you have a pi on either side. And then that gets you the 256 equals 1/2 r cubed. Oops, cubed. Cubed. There we go. Now I got it. And then we'd multiply by 2 on both sides to get rid of the half, which is going to make this then 512 equals r cubed. We're going to do the cubed root of both sides, so that r is going to go ahead and equal 8 centimeters. Go over here. R equals 8 centimeters. Alright? So that kind of walks you through how to do the volume. 6th period's a little loud today. They're very excited about this test tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good night, and hopefully this records correctly.